All right, it is time to set up your course. So first things first, we got to switch courses on inside of your Mighty Network. So go to Manage and then down to Premium Features and scroll down and click on Courses. There we have it. You're going to turn Courses on and presto. You are ready to make some online course magic. So let's go to create your first course and give it a title. So I'll just put in the Great E-Course Adventure. Create binge-worthy courses that sell and the description. Keep the description nice and short and your tagline as well. You really want to communicate here just like your main Mighty Network tagline and description. You want it to communicate what it is and who it's for so people can identify or not identify. So use powerful words that describe exactly what it is. Once you've done that, you can go to next. And just while you're building out your course, you want to keep it on secret so nobody can access it. And once your course is ready, you can either go to private or public, but while building it, keep it on secret. So once you're done that, head to next and head to the next video.